From the beginning, this recovery plan has had at its core a simple idea. Let's put Americans to work, doing the work America needs. The idea is simple. Agencies that identify savings will get to keep a portion of those savings to invest in programs that work. The reward can mean something as simple as saying thank you to a veteran you pass on the street. Our approach is simple. Government must keep its responsibility to the people so that Americans have the opportunity to take responsibility for their own future, even if it's as simple as just saying thank you. For more ways to let our troops know you care, we're talking about simple dreams. Google began as a simple research project. But what also has made these large deficits possible was the end of a common sense rule called pay as you go. It's pretty simple. So the question we have to answer is very simple. Will we learn from this crisis, or will we condemn ourselves to repeat it? That's what's at stake. And their rights. It'll set up an appeals process to enforce those rights. All we ask for is a simple up or down vote. The Senate said no, and used procedural tactics to block a simple up or down vote. Think about what these stalling tactics mean for the millions of Americans. Defended a simple precept. I am my brother's keeper. I am my sister's keeper. And on this day, we recall that at our darkest, it's a power grab, pure and simple. In the end, it comes down to a simple choice. The idea is simple. As the two nations with over 90% of the world's nuclear weapons, the United States and Russia have a responsibility to work together to reduce our arsenals. But it also tells me we have to work even harder to close the gaps that still exist and to uphold that simple American ideal. We are all equal and deserving of the chance to pursue our own version of happiness. We'll reduce spending in our tax code with tax reform that's fair and simple, so that the amount of taxes you pay doesn't depend on how clever an accountant you can afford. It's a simple idea. We need to live within our means while at the same time investing in our future.